5 Best Portable Air Conditioners 2017. Number 5. New Air AC 10100V. Ventilates and dehumidifies spaces up to 325 square feet. Energy-efficient technology reduces energy consumption. Auto-evaporative system offers hours of continuous operation without draining. Ships fully assembled with easy window installation kit. Customizable cooling options with adjustable temperature settings. 12-hour programmable timer and sleep mode. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. WinterArc 14S. 3 operational modes: air conditioner, fan, or dehumidifier. Full thermostatic control, 61 degrees Fahrenheit, 89 degrees Fahrenheit, with digital readout. 24-hour programmable timer. Remote control, carbon air filter, washable pre-filter. Dehumidifying capacity of 101 pints per day, 3 fan speeds. This model has cool function only and doesn't have heater. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. WinterArc 143MX. 14,000 BTU cooling, dual hose operation. CFC-free R410 refrigerant and lead-free RoHS-compliant components. Patented auto-drain function fully exhausts all condensate automatically. Three operational modes: air conditioner, fan, or dehumidifier. Weight 79 pounds. Remote control, upgraded plastic window kit, 46-inch maximum. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Shinko YPL310C. Digital controls offer precise temperature adjustments and the remote control lets you control the air conditioner from across the room. Self-evaporative system, no water tank. The condensing water is recycled to improve the efficiency through cooling condenser. Overcold protection, 3 minutes restart delay function. Wind blows upward and anti-frozen function under cooling. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Zonair PH14B. Dual hoses have up to 40% faster cooling than single hose units. 4-in-1, air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan. For rooms up to approximately 700 square feet. Condensate overflow protection. Weight 95 pounds. Self-evaporation condensate system means no bucket to empty. Please check the description for detail and prices.